reactive metal, you said, okay. What about chlorine? What is it? Is it a metal too? It's a non-metal. Very good. So, now, when we talk about, oh, you don't know, that's okay, baby Skittles. So, chlorine is a non-metal. And so here we have a meeting of a metal and a non-metal here in our sodium chloride here that we call table salt. We're going to talk about how they come together. There is a special property of sodium that makes it easy to hang out with. I always want you to imagine in terms of going to a party. When you go to a party, I would like to imagine that atoms hang out that way too. And they choose partners depending on their needs. If somebody has something that I need, you bet I'm going to hang out. If I'm not needed, if somebody doesn't need you, you don't hang out with them. It's the same between sodium and chlorine. Even that chlorine needs that sodium has. There is something that chlorine needs that sodium has. And what is it? What is it that chlorine needs? What does chlorine need? In simple words, what does chlorine need? Why does chlorine want to hang out with sodium? What does chlorine need? What does chlorine want? What does chlorine want? You said cations and anions. Okay. What does chlorine need? You said it needs water. Can you tell me in simple words, what does chlorine need from sodium? It needs electrons. It needs electrons because chlorine is kind of staggering. It's kind of staggering. And in order to be stable, it needs an electron. It needs an electron. And that one electron, sodium has it. And that's why they're going to hang out. Because they need each other in a special way. So, just like people going out, dating, attracted to each other, there is that attraction between the two. And we call that an ionic bond. Sodium can give away its electron, and chlorine is like, oh, this is just right. This is just what I needed. And when I say give away, I want you to be very careful because this is a special meeting. They are hanging out together. So it's a giving away where they have to stay together. It's not like I give you a ball and then I leave. No. Sodium gives the electron and they have to hang out together because there is a very special rule in chemistry that we don't create or destroy things. That electron is not just given away and thrown out. We will talk about that special connection. Hello. And we call this bond an ionic bond. When sodium gives away its electron, what kind of a charge is it giving away? When sodium gives away its electron, what is it giving away exactly? What kind of a charge is an electron? I don't know what I need to use. I'm right here in my kitchen. Yes, it's giving away. Somebody said it's giving away a negative charge. Would you agree with me that then it becomes positive?